Yeah, little Jimi Hendrix going on over here.
I don't know who Jimi Hendrix is.
Rock and
Chucky's lost weight.
It's going great.
I'm pretty sure.
Did you see what I made?
They're probably not trying to like.
Sure. It's my new
promote.
tiara. Do you like it? It took me 5 hours to make it.
Cake?
No, Munch. Make.
Did you make a cake?
No, I made this tiara.
Ew, who would want to eat a tiara? Chubby, where are we on that cake? I'm starving.
Just a couple of more minutes, Munch.
I'm gonna go play Angry Birds.
Hey, Ellie, what do you say we